everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Cabria. The channel name is I Am Cabria, and if you want to see how I got this beautiful, easy, last minute cow look, then before you keep watching, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share, and turn on your post notifications, and definitely keep watching the video.
Plumber hanging on my neck, the bracelet matches a set. My brother name is Ting the Dollar, stop all that back and forth over the net. My mama wish I would've went corporate, she wish I would've went exec. I still turn to a CEO, so the lifestyle she respect. Ayy, 2 sprinters to Quebec, Chevy ou et mon bec. They only giving niggas +1, so I never pull up to the Met. You know I gotta bring the set, you know I gotta bring the G block, you know I gotta bring the D block, cause you know how sticky it get, ayy. 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 She want me to play with that cat, ayy. She love how I'm making her wet, ayy. You know how sticky it get, ayy. Hey yo, Eric, bring them girls to the stage, cause somebody's getting paid, and free big slime out the cage. Shorty tried to play it cool, but now she wish she would've stayed, cause every song that I made is bring it like I got engaged. All my guys I wouldn't trade, from the cradle to the grave, ayy. Porto got me on a wave, and got me on a wave. Couple hits, now you brave, wait, you niggas better behave. All that pumping up your chest, all that talk about the best, you know how sticky it. Yeah, if I'm with 2 of them, then it's a threesome. If she alone, you know she a freak one. If it's an escort, it's a police one. King of the hill, you know it's a steep one. If we together, you know it's a brief one. Back in the ocean, you go, it's a deep one. Forgave niggas and they feelings. Lucky for y'all, we don't do civilians. You say I changed, I say that I million. I did. The toughest actor follows back on tour. Off-road, Maybach, Pyrex, Trap, Virgil came back through the boy. Damn. That's something to me, niggas really had they back turned to me. I ain't talking my assistant when I say niggas down to pack something for me. Then they thought they had a trap set for me. How you really think that went for me? Niggas gotta do a fact check for me. When everything is put to rest, and everybody takes a breath, and everything gets addressed, it's you alone with your regrets. All that pumping up your chest, all that talk about the best, you know how sticky it gets.
Let me tell you about this girl, maybe I should. I met her in Philly, and her name was Brian Sugar. See, we been making love constantly, that's why my eyes always shade blood burning. The way that we kiss is unlike any other way that I be kissing when I'm kissing. What I miss, won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off your love, I don't know how to be. Brown sugar. Sugar, when you're close to me, you love me right down to my knees. And whenever you let me hit it, sweet like honey when it comes to me. Skin is caramel with the cocoa eyes. Even got a big sister by the name of Cacao. Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off the love, don't know how to behave. I'm already hit this pretty bitty with persistence. Yo, I don't think y'all hit me. Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off of love, don't know how to behave.
please, y'all. Come inside me, I'ma get it by. Want me to make you a scene, girl. Never been that hard to breathe, girl. When we done, you say I need ya. I done made you a believer. Can I stop by see you tonight? Can I stop by see you?
You top 5 and know you're not 5. And I fuck 3 or 2 but 1, girl. I'm high now, I wanna see the sun do. The accent sexy in the sundress. Your accent's leaking on my tongue. Yes, you back to the song, the same for my jack. I made you come and you came right back. Calling me on a late night. I got you leaking like a break pipe. Swimming in your seat just like a diver. They just screaming like a great white. And I might fuck you in your own car. Ride my face just like a porn star. And it's so deep, just call it broke shot. I just want one thing out the phone call.
Can I stop by see you tonight? Can I stop by see you? Can
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Baby, more, I don't know why you love me. You got it bad for me, babe. Oh, I'm so glad that I can have this, baby. Nobody else but you. Nobody else made this move. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. The right amount of love, right amount of trust, right amount of dick. Right amount of slapping me up, think that I'm going to fit. Right amount of love, play, right amount of talking to me. Oh, yeah, yeah. Feel it in my heart, feel it in my soul, feel it in my body. My body feels like I got you to know. We'll never fall out of love with you. I don't wanna fight, I don't wanna fuss. Baby, I'm trusting you, I'm trusting you. Fighting on my mind, fighting on my life for you. I'm trusting you, babe. I want this, I want this to work out so bad that I feel it in my chest and I want it, I want it, yeah. We'll never fall out of love with you. Choo. Get you.
to me. I'm just hoping I don't repeat history. Boy, I'm trying to reach mama on Sunday to make a lot of love on Monday. Never need no one else, babe, 'cause I'll be switching in positions for you. Getting in the kitchen and I'm in the bedroom. I'ma need a lip they say I'm walking through. I'ma love it, feeling nothing I wouldn't do, but I won't do. Switching for you, perfect. You're too good to be true. But I get tired of running. Fuck it, now I'm running with you. With you. So boy, I'm trying to meet your mama on Sunday.
Hello everybody, and thank you for watching my channel. My name is Cabria. The channel name is I Am Cabria, and thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to see more easy last minute Halloween videos like this, make sure you watch my previous video and make sure you keep watching to see what I come up with next. I will see you in the next video. Bye.